एक्सरसाइज में ही प्रॉब्लम है। बार्बल रो के अंदर कितनी ज्यादा इंस्टेबिलिटी, और अगर आपका गोल है आपकी अपर बैक को ट्रेन करना, आपके लैट्स को ट्रेन करना, तो आपको इतने सारे मसल्स को क्यों इन्वॉल्व करना है?
Hey fam, what's up? This is Mr. Kasti Goob, who is a professional fear-mongering pussification expert. This is Dr. Eric Helms. He holds a BSc in Fitness and Wellness, MSc in Exercise Science, and a PhD from Auckland University of Technology, which is in New Zealand, specializing in sports nutrition and strength and conditioning. His first natural bodybuilding season was in 2007. He earned pro status as a natural bodybuilder with the PNBA in 2011 and has competed at the international level, notably placing 7th in the open middleweight division at 2023 WNBF Pro Show. He has competed in 18 official powerlifting meets, 5 weightlifting meets, and 2 strongman shows. Dr. Eric Helms is performing the barbell bent over row safely in the footage which was published on August 27, 2025 on the 3D MJ channel. He is currently prepping for his upcoming natural bodybuilding show. Dr. Eric Helms has no freaking problem with the barbell bent over rows, but Mr. Kashish Gupta gets rage baited, goosebumps when he hears the goddamn freaking term barbell bent over rows. Kashish Gupta has a shit physique. He is probably from the commerce background. He lacks understanding of PRI and he does not carry a doctor prefix in front of his goddamn freaking name.
Can somebody give me a high?
He's weak, skinny fat and has the appearance of a young Thai ladyboy, yet he can't stop yapping and he constantly copes by licking Shivam's wazoo. I hold a BDS degree from the Government Dental College Bangalore, which gives me a lifelong privilege of having doctor in front of my frickin' name. But if I were to advise a neurosurgeon from AIMS Delhi on how to perform craniotomy, he would literally spit on my frickin' face and tell me to cybo. I have said this before, Kashish Gupta has a postural imbalance which can be classified as left AIC, right BC along with right TMCC pattern. Instead of acknowledging and fixing these goddamn issues, he projects them onto his audience who are unfortunately being misled and gaslighted. He applies the formula torque equals force into moment arm and the dead guy anatomy onto the barbell bent over rows, and he claims that the barbell bent over rows belongs to the F tier, the trash tier of exercise category. पर भाई ऑप्टिमल चेस्ट सपोर्टेड टी बार रोज करने के बाद, इलियाक पुल डाउन्स करने के बाद तेरी बैक क्यों नहीं बनी? तेरी मूंछ क्यों नहीं आती बे? कम से कम दाढ़ी तो रख ले, जीबी रोड की रंडी लग रही तू।
खुद के बेसिक 12 इंच के बाइसेप्स हो, वो बोल रहा है कि इसमें ये एंगल गलत है, वो एंगल गलत है। भाई एंगल पेंगल अंदर घुस जाएंगे जिस दिन अच्छे तरीके से बाइसेप्स कर्ल करोगे ना बारबेल से, समझ में आएगा जब।
Rohit Khatri is definitely not a honest freaking person, but he is spot on, at least considering this context. If Kashish Gupta has a 2-inch candlestick like Veena, can he give advice on how to grow a humongous, ginormous 8-inch python that can make his ex-girlfriend come in 5 minutes? I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए, एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए। 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए, ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते